Hello and welcome. Today we're commemorating the life and achievements of late Babul Swargiary, an influential figure in the Assam literary community. Born on February 2, 1949, in the village of Bhalukdanga in the district of Baksa, Babul Swargiary was the son of late Bhaven Swargiary and late Mouja Secondary School. His educational journey began at Nomati Mouja Primary School and continued at Nomati Mouja Secondary School. Seeking higher education, he joined Gordon High School in Nalbari, where he completed his matriculation examination in 1966. Babul's pursuit of knowledge led him to Nalbari College, from which he graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in 1968. His commitment to education extended beyond his personal achievements, as he also served as an honorary teacher at Bhalukdanga Vidyamandir High School, nurturing young minds with dedication and heart. In 1970, he reached a seminal point in his career by being appointed the first secretary of the Nalbari District Boro Literary Association. This role marked his lasting contribution to the literary fabric of Assam. Let's celebrate the life of late Babul Swargiary, who left an indelible impression on our cultural heritage.